Whoa, oh, restore my soul, Lord. Restore my soul, Lord. In your love, I'll find my way. Restore my soul, oh yeah. My heart is weary, my spirit weak. I've wandered far, but now I seek the peace I lost along the way. Lord, I need you to heal today. The world is heavy, the road is long, but in your grace, I'll find my soul. Take me in your loving arms, restore my soul, keep me from harm. Oh Lord, I've been broken, I've been torn, but I know you'll heal what's worn. With your love I'm made whole again. Lord, restore my soul, let me begin. Restore my soul, Lord, make me new. In your presence I'll find truth. Through the storm, through the pain, I'll find peace in your name. Restore my soul with mercy and grace. In your love I'll find my place. I've been walking through the fire, but you've called me to rise higher. I felt the weight of my despair, but in your love I'm lifted there. Restore my soul, Lord. Heal my heart. From this world I'll never part. The night is dark, the journey's rough, but with you, Lord, I'll be enough. Through every trial, through every tear, I know your love will draw me near. With every step I feel you call, restoring me, you lift me tall. In your grace I stand so free. Restore my soul and carry me. Oh Lord, I've been broken, I've been torn, but I know you'll heal what's worn. With your love I'm made whole again. Lord, restore my soul, let me begin. Restore my soul, Lord, make me new. In your presence I'll find truth. Through the storm, through the pain, I'll find peace in your name. Restore my soul with mercy and grace. In your love I'll find my place. Your grace is all I need to stand. In your love I'm in your hand. You wash me clean, you've made me whole. I feel your power restoring my soul. Restore my soul, Lord, set me free. In your arms I'll always be. A living grace, I stand so free. Restore my soul, keep me from harm. Restore my soul, Lord. Oh, restore my soul, Lord. In your love I'll find my way. Restore my way. My heart is weary, my spirit weak. I've wandered far, but now I seek the peace I lost along the way.